So I ordered my Leatherman Surge on, pretty sure Thursday around 1 in the morning because I was up that late. And it costed $75.72. So it came from Amazon. It came today on a Friday, 12th of October 2012. So it came a day early. Or a day earlier than it should be Saturday. That's all the information. Okay, for warranty and whatnot. Open it up, unboxing video. Spyderco Delica 4 with Emerson lid. Wow, that's actually really nice. Whoa, it's a lot heavier than I thought. A lot heavier. It comes with the file. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it up nice. Open it nicely. I don't know how. Yeah, there's no way. I just gotta open it up. There we go. Oh man, this is hard plastic. I don't want to damage my door. That's relatively new. So I'm gonna use my. Where is it? I always use it. Here, I'm gonna try the Buck 384. This is my work knife. I don't give a damn what happens to this one. Oh, it's big, heavy one. Pretty, still stiff, really stiff. Check out the back. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna sharpen this knife. Okay. So I can already feel it comes with a file. Here are all the tools. Come in a nice sheath. Pretty cool. Very strong leather, I think. I don't know. Very stiff. Comes with a file right here. I don't know what that is called, but that's, I heard, diamond. Really cool. It's small enough I'll probably carry in my wallet. I'm not going to put it in here and carry this everywhere. And I don't really use sheaths very often, but this is heavy. This is nice though. Nice, strong, very stiff, just like I got my Leatherman super tool. Oh, it's beast. It's a strong lockup. Yeah, that's strong. Oof, everything's stiff. Sharp corners hurt. You grab it. the saw. Maybe exchange it. I don't know how. Let's see. Back it up. There it is. This pops right out. And then I can put in my file. If I just snap it in, and that's solid. Yeah, this is stiff as hell. Straight blade. Oh, nice. Not mini serrations like my super tool. Hate that. Scissors. Oh, now the springs work. Oh, the spring only works with the when it's fully locked. That's nice. Nice scissors. I'm pretty sure it'll get broken in and worn in when I'm using it more. Oh, man, it's stiff. Can't get rid of that. It's stiff. That's really nice. I like it. Is that flat screwdriver? Oh, I thought it didn't bunch when I pull it out. There's a nice awl. I always like that. Here's the jeweler's screwdriver. Very nice. Regular screwdriver, and then turn around. It's a held in with a spring, and then there's a Phillips. They're really cool. I like that. Apparently not anymore. I can't get it in. Oh, there it is. All tools are locking. I love that. I love locking. Let's see on the other side. I have no idea what that little thing is there for. Right there. I don't know what that is. But bound to be something useful. Hopefully. Regular Phillips, flat. And then regular Phillips screwdriver, and then regular screwdriver. Very cool. The lock is very easy to, it's strong, it's stable definitely, but it's also easy to unlock, so I like that. And also there's a can opener. Really cool. And wire stripper right there also. Got the crimper right there, and then the regular pliers and wire cutters, hardened wire cutters. And these overlap, as you can see. These overlap. See? And I love that they touch each other. Like there's no gap whatsoever, not even the smallest piece of air gap. Nope. Love that. Huh. I heard there's supposed to be a lanyard hold. Not that I use one at all, but still, I want to see if there is. It's really nice, actually. I love this. It's just a bit heavy and really stiff, but I'm pretty sure I'll break it in. It won't be stiff as much anymore. And it's heavy though. I can't get around that. That's definitely heavy. It's whatever. You know, I like it. I mean, compared to my Leatherman Super Tool 300, that it used to be hard, but now it'll flip out like a butterfly knife, easy. And I wish there was a tool that had outside opening like this, but with the combination of replaceable wire cutters. I'll probably keep probably use the saw more than I'll use a file, so place it. I love the idea how you can replace it if it's broken. That's genius to me. Alright, really nice. Lockup's really strong. This is a beast weight though. It's pretty heavy, and it's not exactly nice rounded corners like this. There we go, Leatherman Surge.